make your own origami puppet fidget. Welcome to SparkleBox. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. And share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below. I will be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, let's stay connected with SparkleBox.